Reaction.
Hi friends, after a long break, right? Fine. So, uh, today we discuss about the taxation. Not today, from today onwards, we continuously discussing about the taxation part, which are useful for the relevant, which are useful for the real life as well as for the students and working people. Fine. My videos are always useful for the working people as well as students mostly, and even some scenarios are matched with the common scenarios which will happen in our routine life. Fine. Okay, taxation. Why tax actually? Why? Why tax? Tax means, see, generally government will provide all the services to the public, like law. It should maintain the law and order, it should provide the infrastructure, and it should provide the medical services at free of cost in some, for some group of people. Okay, so for those reasons government needs some fund, right? So where, from where it will get, from where it will get, it should earn, right? It is not a person to earn, hence it is a whole India, it is a body. Now it should get the revenue from the public only. The nation should get the revenue from the public only. So we are the public, we should contribute something towards a fund, and which will be again utilized for the welfare of the society, means indirectly for ourselves, right? So now that is why government collects tax. That the tax is nothing but the price we are paying for the civilized society. For the civilized society, to maintain civilized society, we need to pay some price, that is called tax. Okay, now how? See, generally a person is earning some kind of income. It may be a salary, he may be an employee, he may get a salary, he may do business and he may get business income, or he may be a professional, like that. So one person is, if he is earning something, then on that government is levying means putting some tax on that, means whatever you earn, on that some percentage is prescribed in the law, which should be paid by the earning person. Okay, fine. This is called as direct tax. Direct tax means what? The person who earns the income, he is liable to pay the tax, means he is earning, so he need to pay. That is why it is called as direct tax. Okay, now indirect tax is there. We have two types of taxations. Taxation is divided into two types. One is direct and other is indirect. So the person, if he is earning something, then on that only this person is liable to pay the tax, that is direct tax. Means the burden of the tax falls on the same person who earns it, right? Now what is indirect tax? Fine, suppose we are consuming many products in a day, right? Many products in a day. On that product some tax we pay some tax, right? Means on the products which we use in our regular life, we are paying some tax, right? That you know, that is nothing but those who use this. Suppose a paste is there, Colgate paste is there, so this product if you use, then on this product whatever tax is levied means included in the price that you will pay. If this paste is purchased by some other person, then he will pay the tax. So whatever on which product we are consuming, on which we will pay the tax, that is called as indirect tax. Okay, fine. Means the burden of the tax is ultimately paid by the consumer. Means who consumes the goods or services, he is liable to pay the tax. It can be anyone. Means those manufacturer is manufacturing the product, but many members of the society are consuming these products. Means here he is earning something, but the tax is levied on different people, right? Though he is earning something, the taxation is divided on the products and to be taken back by this person, and he should deposit to the government. Means here burden of the tax is not on the payer, right? Because he is earning profit, so he need to pay tax, right? In direct taxation part, who is earning, he is liable to pay. But indirect taxation, those who consume it will pay the tax. So that is why it is a indirect tax. Means now this is some kind of regressive in nature, right? Because irrespective of the person's income, suppose a poor fellow is there, even though the Colgate paste which is included with tax will not change for him. Even for a rich fellow, it will not change. Means the tax imposition is the same or irrespective of the level of the person, right? So that is why it is indirect tax and it is in a regressive nature. Means it is not actually a supported version, right? But still government will get more revenue on the indirect taxes only. Okay, but in case of direct taxes, what happens? If you earn some 10 lakhs, only on 10 lakhs you will pay the tax. If some other person if earns 5 lakhs, then on that only he will pay tax. Means it is dependent on the income level, right? It is dependent on the income level on which you earn. Means to this extent only on which you will pay tax. But in case of indirect taxation, the consumer may be a rich fellow or maybe a poor fellow, but he need to pay the tax which is included in the product or service. Fine. So if you like my class, so please subscribe my channel and share to the others also who require it. Thank you, friends.